Hi everyone, how are you? So, I've had the retailer close to me have a sale on a few things, so I decided to pick them up to see what they're like. One of them is the MX Anywhere 3. I picked the Mac version um, because I will be mostly using it with the MacBook. I've recently sold my 16-inch MacBook. For those who've watched maybe the last video or the one before that, and also picked up the Logitech MX keys right here, and some other things will be coming in another video. So today I wanted to unbox this mouse and see what it's like. Will give you my impressions compared to my MX Master 3. I have a video about that too. Okay, so let's open this up. As you can see, it's still sealed, and I will be seeing it for the first time with you. So I'll just cut this open with I have a knife here. Okay, so I've cut that open just now. Interesting. Very nice packaging, considering it is a mouse, but it's still nice packaging. The MX keys also came with a nice packaging as well, so not to, oops, this is falling out. Okay. It is nice, it's just, imagine for just a package. I mean, the mouse is sitting here, and ooh, this is nice. Yep, clicky. Let's see if there's anything else in here. I don't think so. Does this come up? Okay. Oh, there we go. We have what it looks like a USB-C to USB-C cable. So let's see. Yep, this mouse has a USB-C port, which is nice. So you can have one cable for both of these. The MX Master 3 also has a USB-C cable. So that's nice. You don't need to have a bunch of cables. This one doesn't charge with a cable. You'd have to take the back out, and there's a battery in here. Yeah. So this is much smaller than the MX Master 3. You can see here. This is the first time I'm seeing this mouse, so I don't have too much to say right now. This is just an impressions video, I guess, how they like to call it on YouTube. First impressions. It is more comfortable for me, I think, than this one. I've talked about that in my other video. So they have this piece of paper here telling us about how to pair it, how to switch it between computers. This is something great with the Logitech accessories, that you can switch between multiple computers You don't have to use it just with one computer. You can have a few, like number 1, number 2, number 3, which is nice. It's connected via Bluetooth, so most computers should have that. Some desktops do, but most laptops nowadays have that. Let's peel off this sticker. Yep, very nice. Put that aside. This is a very nice mouse. Flat. That's the button to switch which computer you're connected to. Let's turn this on. Does it have any battery? Yeah. So that would be computer number 1. I hope you guys can see this. I'm trying. I'm not very good at this YouTube stuff, but trying to get there. Computer number 1. That would be computer number 2 and computer number 3. This is in pairing mode, so that's why it's flashing. I'll get to use that later. Let's see. So this mouse, you wouldn't wrap your whole hand around like that. I guess most people wouldn't. Maybe if you have smaller hands, but I have bigger hands, I would just use it like this way. Very clicky, I'd say. Here, have a listen. Yeah, it's a very nice button, very rigid, I'd say. They don't give in easily. So you'd have that, what's supposed to be the famous scroll wheel, the like magnetic one from here. That should be nice. When you get used to this one, kind of hard to go back to the other ones. So let's turn this back on. Now I have, if I click that, yeah, and let go as well, like the bigger one. If I click that again, now it's clicky again. Very nice. So I'll use this for a while, and then maybe I'll have a separate video for what it was like to use for a bit. The other videos I've had with these two mice are after I've used them for a while, so I was able to make that. But yeah, this is it for this video. I don't have much more to say right now. I'd just like to say this is a good looking mouse. If you're considering getting this, maybe because you're moving around a lot, you don't want to carry a big mouse like this. And it's not big, but you know, if you're going to put it into some bag, this is much slimmer. And from first impressions, look like I'll be personally more comfortable using this than that right now. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. See ya.